Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am sharing with you 10 juicy things that every new cruiser needs to know before they go on that cruise. Is that you? Well, if so, let's get into it. Number one, pack according to the climate and location of your cruise. And while you're at it, go ahead and make sure that you pack some sunscreen and some comfortable shoes. You could be cute and comfortable shoes. Number two, I don't know if you know this, boo, but make sure that you are prepared for those onboard expenses, such as your gratuities. Yes, y'all, you have to pay for gratuities. Well, you don't have to do anything, but it is super nice because folks been waiting on you all cruise long. And how about those souvenirs? Yes, make sure that you're prepared for that as well. Pictures? Yup. Drinkity drink? Yup. And shore excursions? For sure. But one thing I want to let you know, don't bring that hard cold cash because, folks, you won't need it on no cruise, really, unless you're just tipping somebody. Have your credit card already tied into it. You ain't going to be able to go to the bar and pay no money. They're going to say, where's your card, your cruise card, so we can charge it? Okay? Remember, number three, and one of my faves, make sure that you familiarize yourself with the layout of the ship so you can get your bearings about yourself, folks. Not only the layout, but also the services. What is on that cruise that you might like? And while you're doing that advanced searching, make sure that you actually research your protocols to see what's there, what's fun, history, maybe some things that you want to do, and kind of shape your shore excursions around that. Yeah. Number five, make sure that you bring a portable charger, because when you are out and about on the ship, or you're in port doing your shore excursion, or just, lollygagging around, you don't want your phone to go dead. I'm telling you that right now. So bring a portable charger, please, and thank you. Child, make sure the thing is actually charged up though. Number six, enjoy the ship. The ship is a vacation of itself, y'all. It has a lot of activities on board, not just the pool, but entertainment-wise. They have music, they have bars, they have lounges, they have shows. Just soak it all up. Number seven, y'all, don't forget your medication. I have medication. I got my little pill bottle thing, sort of thing. So make sure you bring that and have your medicine in it, including your motion sickness meds, y'all, because you don't want to leave home without them. Number eight, make sure that you have your passport or any other type of travel documents that you do utilize when you're going to be going on your cruise vacation. So, all right. And a little tidbit, if you didn't know, you can actually get your passport stamped in the port of call, but make sure you go to an authorized place to stamp your passport and not one of those like touristy things, because it could be voided if you don't have the correct one. Number nine, make sure that you check the cruise lines or with your travel agent, if you have a travel agent, to see what the attire is and that you have the appropriate clothing for your swimwear, for your evenings, and they have some dress up nights and things of that sort. So just make sure that you are in compliance with the dress code, folks. We don't need you out there doing the most when this particular cruise you on ain't about doing the most, okay? And number 10, y'all, just take it all in and relax and enjoy yourself. Enjoy your cruise vacation. You deserve it, and experience new people, new cultures, new everything. Until next time, y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already. If you are, thank you. Love you. Peace.